Welcome to this magical place in Spiti Valley, the Tabo village. In this video, we are taking you to the oldest functioning Buddhist enclave in Himalayas. And then we will take a peaceful stroll through apple orchards and fields. And next we're gonna hike up to the historic meditation caves. And also we will check out the local market scene. Hi guys, welcome back to Tales Beyond Border. In this video, I'm taking you to a mystic place in Himalayas, Tabo, situated in the center of Spiti Valley. Super beautiful, very ancient, with lots of history of Buddhism. Right now here I'm standing at one of the ancient monasteries in India. It dates back to 996 AD, so more than 1000-year old. Tabo is famous, except this monastery is the beautiful landscapes. There are apple orchards, there are lots of greenery, there are very mystic caves we're gonna show you. So guys, come join me in this beautiful video because you would love to come back here. Thank you. We are staying just next to the Tabo Monastery, and the first thing we're gonna do today is visit the ancient monastery of Tabo and also to show you. So if you could see a little bit behind me in the background is the ancient Tabo Monastery. It says 996 AD, more than 1000 years old, and all done with mud. So beautiful. So I was not able to show you the inside of the ancient monastery, the older parts. But inside they keep it very dark, and there are ancient paintings and some ancient statues depicting the whole life of Buddha and lot more mystic drawings which I even couldn't understand. But it was amazing inside. Right next to the main market and taxi stand, this is the helipad in Tabo with the majestic mountains. Right now I'm walking around the monastery in the periphery, and it's all surrounded by the apple orchards. Very green, look. So this is a fun activity to do in the afternoon. Yeah, the sun is strong. My friends are waiting, resting in their hotel room. So I felt like to come out here and enjoy this view because lighting is just perfect to record. This here, I'm walking at the main street of Tabo. It's a small town, it's a village, but there are a little bit concentrated areas with lots of homestays, hotels and cafes. Now I can even see the street food. Right now it's a full season, so lots and lots of people around here. All the hotels are super full. So if you're coming in June, it's better to have a pre-booked room. Now it's almost 5 in the evening and it's not that hot anymore. So I'm gonna go to the caves. It's a little bit of trek, but I remember from last time it wasn't that hard. And the views from there are pretty nice, so I gotta do that. So you gotta take stairs from the highway behind me. And the stairs are going to the caves. I'm already tired. I don't know. हाँ रास्ता पूरा है. Visitors are not allowed to walk on the rooftop of the trespassers will be heavily fined. Caves, they are ancient. This here is our guest house. Yeah. Very beautiful rooms upstairs. This is my room. Inside, very simple, very basic, small, but works for Tabo. With a window and nice garden outside. Taking it very easy today. So gonna go have breakfast now. There is a little bit of dining area next to our rooms at the guest house. Let me show you. Hi Pooja.
Hi Akhil, good morning. So this is the dining area and this looks very traditional, very Buddhist. This is giving me a very real Buddhist feeling of a dining area. and I am in so much love with this.
And what do we have for breakfast?
So we have aloo ka parantha.
Oh, nice.
We have some bread toast.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and we have the jam. We have the coffee.
Yeah, that's all we need to get loaded
Yes.
and start our day.
Yes.
Hey guys, good morning. So it's another day in Spiti Valley. Today I'm leaving from Tabo. Tabo is really something. Yes, it did change from the last time I was here 6 years ago. Now it's a bit more touristy, but the charm is still there. Beautiful monastery, the beautiful landscape, the amazing caves, and all the orchards. So I'm sure you would love to come here. Now we are heading to our next point in Spiti Valley, which is Dhankar, around one and a half hour from Tabo, and it's another amazing, beautiful monastery, and I would love to show that to you. So join us on Tales Beyond Border on our next adventure. See ya.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tales Beyond Borders, because we love to travel around and share our stories with you. Thank you.